Good afternoon from Belgium. My name is Arvid. I am co-founder and CEO of WeGroup, and at WeGroup, we help insurance intermediaries to better connect with a growing group of digital customers. Now, when we talk about insurance, we immediately see three major issues. First of all, a substandard use of data. I guess everybody is aware that there are vast amounts of open data sources available, yet insurance companies, insurance intermediaries, they typically fail to use that data properly, and therefore they fail to service their customers properly. Secondly is inefficiency, because obviously there are a lot of processes going very, very slow, and that obviously leads to high overhead costs. And last but not least, low customer satisfaction, because let's be honest, nobody wakes up in the morning and says, today is my insurance day, right? So that is something that we want to solve. Now, at WeGroup, we do that in three different ways. First of all, data-driven analysis. We are going to use as much open data sources as possible to tell our clients everything there is to know about their clients. Secondly, robotic automation. I know it's a buzzword, but we automate as much processes as possible, especially those that bring no value to the end customer. And last but not least, user experience and user interaction. And that is obviously a hot topic in nowadays world, because how can an intermediary perfectly connect and build a bond with his clients if it's not even possible to see him physically? Well, that is something that our technology changes, because we combined these three solutions into Louise. And Louise is actually the 24/7 digital assistant of every insurance intermediary, helping them with various things. First of all, she will profile the customer based on some simple questions. She will tell everything there is to know about the need and the risk of a customer and link that to the perfect insurance product, not only based on price, but also on quality, linking the profile of a customer to the terms and agreements of the insurance products within the intermediary's portfolio. Now, the cool thing about this is that we don't only do this for new business, but also for follow-up business. So if a profile changes, say a guy gets kids, for example, if somebody buys a new house or a new car, then we will launch an opportunity call into the system of our broker or agent to make sure that the intermediary can reconnect with that client and serve them with the perfect insurance products. Now, this is not only done for new business, but also for servicing those products, because obviously we help servicing claims as well by locating all the information, bringing it together within the platform, and even linking it to the external data sources to make sure that the claim is valid or not. Now, within this technology, we connect three different parties. First of all, our clients, the intermediaries, but also all other insurance service providers and insurance risk carriers via, obviously, open API systems. So if you look into our portfolio of clients and partners, you will see that we have a healthy combination of tier one insurance companies, tier one service providers such as TPAs and expertise businesses, as well as tier one brokerages and agencies. Now, I am obviously not doing this alone. I come from insurance myself, but I am aided by an amazing CTO who has an academic background in computer science engineering, and an amazing CFO who has a corporate finance background and also exited successfully a startup in the past as well. Now we have an amazing team of over 30 people, of which 75% is on engineering and the rest obviously on the business side, working all over Europe from our offices in Warsaw, in London, and our headquarters in Ghent. Very soon, we will also open a new office in Paris and obviously tackle new European markets. And this all wasn't possible without some funding. We did an initial pre-seed round of 650K, leveraged that up to 1.5 million, and now finalized another seed round of 3 million euros, bringing our total amount raised on 4.5 million euros. Now, as you can see, we clearly know what the problem is. We clearly have the solution for that problem. The only question that I can ask every intermediary or every incumbent in this room is, are you next?